good evening. Welcome to Marco Polo Hotel Cebu in Lahore. This is the lobby. So it's been a while since the last time na ako ni Arito. It was 2016. And tonight we'll be here for our dinner buffet at Cafe Marco. Sige na ba, picture. Sige ako. Ato misa. Okay, upstairs na pa doon sa the rooms. Okay, as usual. Way back 2016. Last time na rin. Karon, that's Cafe Marco. This is unbelievable cafe. Well, lami as in, I hope meet our expectations. So, let's get it out. So, it's Women's Day. Hello, good evening. Pa kayo mga sa Judith, no? Okay, happy Women's Day to kaya sa nagwan ko sa akong mga kauban. Okay. So, yan ako mga picture. Okay, mag-wait pa ko sa akong mga kauban. Oh my gosh, sorry, I've been here 2016, so katong murag 4-star pa akong nadungon sa mga 5-star na diyan. I hope magdaghan pa. Okay. So in a while, just in a bit, musod na tayo.